In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text font color in Canva. If you want to make your design stand out and match your style or brand, changing the text color in Canva is a quick and easy way to do it. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process in a simple, clear way so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open Canva. Once you're on the main page, you can either create a new design or search from the thousands of available Canva templates. This is helpful because Canva gives you a wide range of ready-made formats for different types of content, whether you're designing for social media, presentations, posters, or something else. For this example, I'm going to choose an Instagram post. After selecting that format, the next step is to pick a template that you like. Choose any template of your choice. The specific design doesn't matter too much here, since the goal is to learn how to edit the text color, but selecting a template with visible text will make it easier to practice. Once your template is open in the editor, click on the text that you want to change. Make sure you've selected the exact text box you want to edit, because Canva only applies text color changes to the selected text element. If the text box contains multiple words, you can change the entire text box color at once, or in some cases adjust only highlighted text if needed. After selecting the text, look for the text color button at the top of the editor. This is usually represented by the letter A with a colored underline. Click that button to open the color options. Now you'll see a variety of colors to choose from. Canva makes this part very visual and user-friendly, so you can quickly preview different shades and see what works best with your design. If you want something simple and clean, you can choose a solid color. If you want a more stylish or eye-catching effect, you can also explore gradient color options. Take a moment to test a few different colors and see how they affect the overall look of your design. A good tip is to choose a color that contrasts well with the background, so your text stays easy to read. That's especially important for social media posts, where clear and readable text can make a big difference. And that's it. That's how to change text font color in Canva using a template and the built-in text color tools.